Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Rookie of the Year. Let's get into it. Okay, so looking at the box, you have the black box, you have the red Nike logo across the top, super large, and you have the Nike logos going all around the box on all four sides. So let's look at the tag, man. What we have is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in Golden Harvest, Black, and Sail. Let's get into the box, man. It comes with the white paper. Nothing much to talk about there, but this is not what we're here to see anyway. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Rookie of the Year. Now these shoes got inspiration from when Michael Jordan won the Rookie of the Year award and the outfit that he wore when he gave his speech when he accepted the award. You know, he had on like the Golden Harvest colored shirt. You know what I'm saying? So it's a nice little touch paying homage to that. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, you can go ahead and look it up and get your little history or whatever on it, man, because I don't really have time for it, man. Now, looking at the shoe, I think it's dope. Under the bottom, you have the all-black outsole, all black. On the side, you can see, I mean, the first thing you'll probably notice is that middle panel and that nice leather. You know, on the toe box, you have that suede. The whole upper is filled with suede and leather. You know what I'm saying? On the back, you can see you got your suede, and when you brush it, you can see a little bit of a direction change. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. You feel me? So, I mean, like I say, man, I think it's dope, man. You know what I mean? So I know a lot of people waiting on these. Now, these do release on November 17th. Now they're gonna retail for $160. There's a closer look at that leather on the middle panel. I mean, all in all, man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. I think the quality is on point. You know, the colors are nice and fresh to me. You know what I'm saying? And on the tongue, you have this black patch with the red Nike Air. Now, I'm not sure if this is leather or some kind of rubber or whatever, but it's nice that they decided to use a different material, you know what I'm saying? So on the inside of the wing flaps, on this one, you have Michael Jordan's rookie stats. You have Rookie of the Year, 2,007 points. Y'all go ahead and check that out for yourself, man, you know what I'm saying? And on this other one, you know, this one has a little statement from Jordan. You know, hopefully you was able to read it, but if not, pause it, check it out for yourself, man. On the inside, y'all could already see. You probably can't really see, but it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, looking at the other shoe, everything is identical. No difference between the two. Now, these do come with a pair of extra laces, as you can see, the red laces. Comes with the black laces installed in the shoe. So, man, look, I think it's dope. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. There's a closer look at the suede. As you can see, you have the same writing on this shoe on inside of the wing flaps, just like the other one. Like I say, man, I think it's dope. I'm feeling it. I don't have no complaints about it. You know, everything is everything, you know what I mean? So, like I say, man, let me know in the comments what you think, man. If you're feeling these, if you're not, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna lay up there and do an on foot, but this is not my size. So I'm gonna get somebody else to do the on foot, and they're not really up to some of y'all standards as far as, you know, their jeans and whatnot. I know people like to talk about people wearing loose jeans, you know what I'm saying? But look, here's the on foot, man. Follow us on Instagram at PillarZair504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holler back.